Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Apple Motion templates for YouTube intros, beginner guide step by step clearly. To set up Apple Motion templates for your YouTube intros, start by opening Apple Motion on your Mac. Create a new project by selecting File from the menu bar, then click on New. Choose the appropriate preset for your video, such as Custom for specific dimensions or YouTube for Standard HD. Set your frame rate, ideally 30 frames per second, which is suitable for YouTube videos. Click Open to enter the Motion workspace. Familiarize yourself with the interface, including the Canvas, Layers panel, and the Inspector. Begin by adding elements to your project, such as text, shapes, or images. Use the text tool to create your intro title and customize it with fonts and sizes from the Inspector. Next, you can add animations by selecting your text layer, then navigating to the Behaviors panel. Drag and drop your desired animation, such as fade in or grow, onto your text layer. Adjust the timing and parameters of the animations to fit your vision by using the Inspector. To enhance your intro, consider adding background music or sound effects. Import audio files by selecting File, followed by Import, and choose your audio file. Drag your audio onto the timeline below your video layers. Ensure your audio is synced correctly with your animations by trimming or stretching it as necessary. Once you're satisfied with your design and animation, it's time to save your template. Go to File and select Save As. In the Save dialog, select Final Cut Pro as the file type to ensure compatibility. Name your template and choose a location in the Motion Templates folder for easy access. Click Save to store your template. To use your newly created intro, open Final Cut Pro. Navigate to the Titles and Generators panel and locate your saved template. Drag your template onto the timeline to incorporate it into your video. Adjust any elements as needed to personalize each use of your intro. Review your project to ensure everything looks polished and cohesive. Once you're happy with the final product, it's time to export your video. Navigate to File, then Share, and select your desired export settings for YouTube. After the export is complete, your video is ready to be uploaded with your new animated intro. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.